You nearly got all the way through in one take.
Hello everybody from TCT Asia, the largest additive manufacturing event of the continent. I am here with my good friend Duncan. Duncan, hello.
Hiya, how you doing?
Doing great.
Cool.
So, TCT Asia 2025. What are the highlights? What should people expect?
So this is our 11th edition and it always surprises us whenever we arrive. It's 450 exhibitors this year. Pre-reg was north of 35,000 attendees. 80 conference sessions. It really is an immersive experience in additive.
So, TCT Asia 2025, as you mentioned, it's evolved a lot since 11 years ago. What are the main highlights? What are the milestones that TCT Asia has achieved?
Well, milestone one was getting it started, because creating a joint venture in China is pretty paperwork heavy. And from then it's been a steady growth. Shanghai has welcomed us. We've moved venues to this amazing new venue, probably after about 3 or 4 years, and that's really given us the ability to expand. So we've been on this incredible journey, which mirrors the incredible journey that China has gone. When we first started, there was a lot of Western companies, more Western companies than Chinese, whereas now you look across the show floor and it's completely flipped. And that really mirrors China's impact, if you like, in technology development in additive.
So, you mentioned it yourself, China, I think, undeniably has a momentum right now compared to the rest of the world. What's your opinion on that?
Well, I think it's probably been arguable that China was the most important market for maybe the last 2 or 3 years. No, China is responsible for 33% of manufacturing globally, so it's not a surprise that a manufacturing technology would advance quickly in this country.
So we see here at the floor, Bamboo Lab, Creality obviously have exploded in the desktop FDM space. HBD, BLT, Farsoon, there are names that come up more and more in industrial metal machinery. What kind of key trends do you see in TCT Asia 2025?
Go and look at the parts on their stand, and if you look at those parts compared to where we were even 3, 4, 5 years ago, the difference is insane. In the higher end, the more industrial side, again, multiple laser machines, powder development, and investment in the technology means that actually in all the sectors, Chinese companies are playing a major part.
Let's go on a hypothetical journey into the future. The year is 2035. How do you imagine TCT Asia being in 2035?
I think ultimately probably more machines, more speed, more materials, and probably, and this is the thing that additive needs all over, is more applications. Because the more applications we can develop as an industry, the better it is for everybody. So I think probably just this, but bigger, scaled, and that would be all right by us.
Now, is there anything that you would like to share with the 3D Natives audience?
I guess the obvious thing is to talk about our return to Shenzhen. Important market, huge manufacturing base, and we believe there's an opportunity for TCT down there. So looking forward to that, and of course coming back here in 12 months' time to see how things have developed.
Well, Duncan, thank you very much. Really appreciate your time.
Absolute pleasure.
And to our 3D Natives audience, hope you enjoyed this video, and stick around to see more.